Grabe the pila here, buddy. How long are we here?
2 years.
2 years already. This is our food in here, mga tao. You see, we ordered a lot of food, so we transferred it on the table. This is the meatball in here with sweet and flat. It took us 2 hours to wait in the line and 10 minutes to eat. This is my window overlooking the Khalifa Tower in Dubai. So this is the setup they made in here. Para it's iba-iba. It's like 50s style house. This one they sell it here 30 pesos. The roller in the mall, this is 200 or 300 pesos. Para when I sit here, it's like I want to be a gamer. So we're near na, mga tao. We're approaching IKEA. I don't know what we're gonna see inside or how we're gonna feel, because they said it's so big. My back is already hurting. Just thinking about it, it feels that we're gonna walk a lot. So be ready. You ready for that?
Yeah.
65,000 square meters. We're gonna walk it up and down. It's there, I see it, IKEA. It's pay parking, mga tao. So that's the first, ano. So it's not free parking. This is the line here, it's so long, all the way. You should bring your tent camping. When you go here, you do camping. So bra, mahaba yung pila, mga tao. Oh, while waiting. I thought, may inuma, pagkain while waiting. While waiting, they give us this. You see the line? So big the line, mga tao. All the way. So finally we made it, mga tao. Almost 4 p.m. sked. You see, this is the entrance here. It's a lot of people in here, like crazy. So we're gonna go inside and we're gonna start our tour, mga tao. Be ready. Hi. Good afternoon. Oh la la. Dito. Okay. Sige. Finally, mga tao. Welcome to IKEA Philippines branch. First floor here, mga tao, is like a coffee shop. You see, many people sit here maybe when they are tired. They drink coffee, they eat. It's just like a chilling space in here. Tapos you still go up. This place is like giant. The furniture's on the other side with pricings. This is a very big space in here. See? Giant space. All the displays in there, the furnitures is awesome. Look at this. Get one, Jerus. You see, you get your shopping bag, so later you will shop because you already have a bag. So this is like the Filipino style. So it's like arranged like para Filipino house. So everything is displayed and placed, even tablets, you see? Stuff for like the house, you see? Drinking, thermos, books, everything. It looks like somebody lives here. Look at this chair near. It's like a chair, but you hang your towel here. Let's go out here. So here there are a lot of showrooms. It depends on the theme, maybe Filipino, different kinds of theme. So we're gonna check out other places in here. You see this outdoor in here? It also looks different. Just say it has like different theme. Okay. So for this setup, it's like this is the price in here, 25,000, but you get I think everything inside. I'm not sure. The laptop is not included, maybe. Okay, this is like a gaming station in here. So they also make it look like this is how you imagine it. It's gonna be at your house. It's just like that, as is. So this one here is like organizers. You see, like your nuts, your spices. This one is like 200 pesos. Yeah, it's like rags. You see. So this is like a gaming station in here. For gamers, they will love this. You see, the gaming chair. This is only 8,000. It's not that bad. You see. Tapos this is the gaming station. Look at this set. It's 28,000. Wow, looks nice, huh? When I sit here, it's like I want to be a gamer. I remember the days we used to play Counter-Strike. We used these things in here. Wow, look at this. Para milk tea cup. It's 350 pesos. This one, hindi ko alam para saan. If you want like a cozy looking bedroom. So this is how it looks like. 29,000 for the set. Look at this. See? Boom. I like the idea that everywhere we go, they put photos like that. You see? Different people, you see photos. Everywhere you go. Karina, we also saw another photo. Para I want to put my photo here. This is a good table for like studying table or office table. Tapos, the only problem is you have a salamin facing you all the time, so you're gonna fix yourself all day. It's very nice. There's like small houses in here. Look at this. It's like 50s style house. See? Dining table is so small here. There's kuchara already. Look at this. See, kuchara. So let's put it back. This is like small dining table. That's like the bed in here. You see, bed and sitting area, it's the same. In one room, they put all together. So this is showroom 1 to 9. So meaning there are many showrooms in this place. Looks very nice because of the accent chair near, green chair, then some red surroundings. Looks really cool.
Full of your belongings while you shop. Thank you.
This is a cozy space and the retro tiles. You see the retro tiles? This is a nice space. It's like indoor-outdoor living, but it's nice because of the background near the greens. It's really cool. So this is the setup they made in here. Para it's iba-iba. This one is 690. It's good for my cats. It's like a scratcher.
So you're
It's like when you're living in the condo, that's how it looks like, the setup. You see it? There's already, no kuchara, the sticks for samyang. There was a Korean mart. So imagine this one is like your condo, that's how it looks like. Oh, I think heavyweight cannot be here. Medium to small pwede dito. Condo living here. Nice. So this is how it feels like if you're living in a condo, small size. This is my window overlooking the Khalifa Tower in Dubai. So this is like a bar area, I think. This is 53,000. This one, where you can display your glass, your wine bottles. See. Don't put your kawali here. It's a big problem. Basag. So let's see this secret door. Where is it going? Ah, sarado. It's locked. $4,000. So 4,990. This is almost 5,000 pesos. You see? That's nice. This one, small chair. See, for Maui boy. If you have pets. It's nice. Look at the details in there, really nice. They stage it like a real house, so when you go inside, when you look at it, it looks like a real house with real people living inside. Even the photos, you see the frames they put, it's like there are real people who live here. Look at this, clock 290 pesos only, but it looks nice. Oh, this is like a bedroom. So when you open these things, you see clothes inside. That's why I said they stage it as if there is somebody who really live in here. You see, you have your water near, you're sleeping. If you have a baby, you put them near. If not, you put laundry in here. You see? See so many photos there. Frames, a lot of frames, different people. So you go from one style to another one, different style. This one obviously for like a family person, you see, because there's a lot of toys in here for kids. This is like a mini kitchen in here. See, black and white carpentry. Looks really nice. You see? This is like for a small balcony type. You see, you put it like that. It's a cozy space, even though it's small, but it's still cozy. So many showrooms in here, different styles, different designs. It's all about furnitures, you see. So this one is like for a lady room. It's not a boy style. It's too many pinks and so many books in here. So here it's more on open space. Here you feel in this part that you are just in SM. Pero kanina there's like really good modeling for the units they did. So this sofa in here, it looks like retro sofa, you see. Look at the design, the green with white, the red. It just looks like retro furniture in here. Very comfy. They don't only have modern in here, but they have old style as well. You see, it's like old school.
Wear your mask.
This one, they sell it here 30 pesos. The roller in the mall, this is 200 or 300 pesos. I even saw 500 pesos of this one. Hi. Okay. Look at the chandelier in here. It looks very cool, very nice. Yeah, look at this sofa in here with the matching chair. It looks funny, you see, but it looks really good because it's something different that we are not used to. Oh, look at this. It's like a spa, salon spa style showroom. So if you want to open a spa, you get inspired here because you look at this, it's already made, ready-made. Or if you are Yemeni and you have spa in your house, you make this and you enjoy it. So para you don't need to go outside your house. Try the famous Swedish meatball, mga tao. Pero there's also pila on the restaurant. You see, so many people. Pero we're gonna follow the line para we try the food. Look at the line here, mga tao. You see, this is the Swedish restaurant in here, and so many people. We didn't even get inside yet. The entrance is still there, all the way there. Huh? We're lining for like 40 minutes already. Grabe na pila here, buddy. How long are we here?
2 years.
2 years already. And we're not moving, you see? The line, so big. This is their food in here, mga tao, you see? I mean, it's just affordable prices in here. After we finish this line, mga tao, there is another line there. You see how big it is? That's the line for ordering. Grabe, there's pila everywhere. All the way to the counter there. One eternity later, mga tao. So finally we are here in Sweden. And we're waiting for the Swedish food to be served para we eat kasi sobra gutom. I thought I'm gonna be excited masyado, pero yung pila, patay ako sa pila. Siguro 2 hours tayo sa pila. So that's why my excitement is gone already. I'm just waiting for the food para I can eat something. Today is the second day of the opening, kaya marami tao. So I got a very nice chair. This is my view, the grass in here. What, buddy? 2 hours we are waiting for the food and it did not arrive yet. This is our food in here, mga tao. You see, we ordered a lot of food. So we transfer it on the table and let's see. Is this for me? What's this? Iced tea?
Sparkling.
Ooh, look at this. The dessert last night. This is the meatball in here with Sweden flag. Salmon, of course, all-time favorite. Garlic bread in here. More fries. See our cake. So here I have my salmon, mashed potato, and broccoli, fries. Another salmon. Chicken wings, a very famous meatball in Sweden. They have it here also in IKEA, Philippines. This one has pork, that's why I cannot eat it. So my favorite is salmon, mga tao, with lemon. Jairus brought the whole tissue. Sabi niya para hindi ako balik. Okay, let's try. I love salmon, so I would always choose to eat it over anything. Jerusa, you're eating in Sweden now?
I'm Swedish.
Yeah, now you're Swedish. So masarap, you like it? Very much?
Very much.
Anything that's libre, it tastes so good.
Yeah. that's the thing.
This is the cake, mga tao. What's the name of this dessert? Diba you order it?
Yeah.
You need to tell me the name. You are the one who ordered.
Almond, sir.
Choco almond. What's that, choco ball from Yabaseo? Guys, mga tao, you need to bring water with you because trust me, whatever you do, they will never give you water. I ask bottled water. Diba? You ask bottled water, service water, like water from the toilet. They don't give you. They said only water with flavor. Paano yan, mga tao? Sa mundo lahat, wala ako flavor sa water. Pwede. Gonna be uhaw now. It's really good. Oh. I like that. The sad emoji. Sad emoji. I told Jerus, you cannot leave your food here like manginasal. But they run after you. After you finish, we finish eating. Diba? We transfer everything here. You clean, wash the dishes. You wash the wash the dishes. You return the tapos we go. Not like manginasal, you leave everything, you stand up. We are in Sweden now. We already exit the Philippines. Oh, so you know how to wash, right? How to wash it. Okay. Clean as you go. Pass for alcohol. Ambasa. She is driving the plates. He doesn't even know what he's doing. Leave your tray here, please. What are you taking long, buddy? It's like he's washing. Buddy, what are you taking long? Are you cleaning the dishes and... So full, mga tao. You see? It took us 2 hours to wait in the line and 10 minutes to eat. Look how big the elevator is. Go there, it is far. Boom! So big! See the pila how big. So many people following the line everywhere. It's like crazy. So many people following the line, mga tao. That's why I didn't buy anything. That's why I just come back another day. We couldn't find the car. We went up and down, up and down. Finally, we found it. This is City of Dreams here, mga tao. This is where your dreams come true. And your dreams also break if you lose. Thank you.